Hey, I'm Johnny.
And I'm Julie.
And we're the Parsons passing through.
Hey guys, we are still in Magnolia Springs State Park. John's wearing 2 life jackets. I have 1 life jacket. That's because we are fixing to go ride the paddle boat. We rented a paddle boat for a couple hours before the storm comes in, and we're gonna go ride. We've never done this before.
Pedal your side, Julie. Julie and John rented a paddle boat, and they're out there on the boat, and they wanted me to go too. Julie didn't want to take her phone out there, or a camera, John's camera, because she's afraid that they're going to fall in the water. So I'm going back to get the selfie stick to give her a little more assurance. But let me show you. That's them out there through the woods. I got a trivia question for you YouTubers out there that do full-time RVing. I got a question. Is it right to take firewood that other campers left after they're gone? Is it right to take firewood from another campsite after the campers are gone? You decide. Learning how to drive that thing. Trying to dock it, I think.
I'll get on back. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you grab us some? So guys, we were able to bring the selfie stick. I got on the back of the paddle boat and they are paddling away.
It's actually just me right now.
All right. We got about an hour left. Who's doing all the work?
I'm
I'm doing the work, so she'll video
Well,
this.
if you really want to do the work, I was
So
joking.
y'all can thank
Yeah,
me.
go ahead and do it without John. See how hard it is. I did that. And it's,
Of course, it's gonna bite you.
I hope it don't start lightning while we're out here. In a boat's not a good place, right?
Yeah, you just got a metal.
Yeah. What?
Yeah, we're going with the current.
My exercise today.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a workout.
So we were able to take the phone on it, and we were able to film a little bit. So, yeah. So we'll explore some more of the park later. It's gonna storm in just a little bit, and so we're gonna go look at the radar and get some lunch. John's gonna take the jackets back on the bike, and so he's wearing all 3 of the life jackets so they don't get caught in the spokes. And cute.
I asked a question a while ago about is it right to take the firewood after the camper next to you's left the firewood and gone. And I found out the answer. If you don't grab it, somebody else will. And this somebody else was the camp host, and they grabbed it and it's gone. Got it before I could get over there. I didn't say nothing about it. I just let them take it on. But you know what? If you don't grab it, somebody else will.